Lamig na lamig, kuya. Lamig na lamig. Happy, ano ba ngayon? Wednesday.
Wait, today is Wednesday?
Yes, today is Wednesday.
That's when did that happen? I thought it was Thursday.
No, today is Wednesday, and then Thursday, and then Friday, and then no school.
And then yay.
Yeah, and then yay. And guys, pinifix ko yung kanilang lunch.
Friday's yay.
Yay. Friday, Saturday. Duh. Pinifix ko yung kanilang lunch. So, they have, Lunchable, ham and,
Can we have the healthy
crackers.
sandwich?
Huh?
Can we have the healthy sandwich?
You can have that tomorrow. We don't have the lettuce. Okay?
I thought you went to the store and bought
No, me and Daddy will go today. We're gonna go grocery today. So I'll get you some, your healthy sandwich. And besides, we need more ham. So I had to figure out what else to give you guys for lunch. Oh gosh, it's so hard to get some lunches every day. Alright. And then we're gonna put some,
Ouch.
I don't know kung ano pa ilalagay natin dito. Pag-iisipan ko pa. Where you going? Huy, eat. Come on.
Okay.
Paano? Walang damit. Kaya lamig na lamig. Caleb, sit down and eat your cereal.
I don't know where I put that.
Just sit down. Oh my gosh, itong batang to. So, ayan na guys. So, meron silang grapes. Green grapes. And then, itong goldfish na, ano ba to?
Oh, yeah. Sour cream and onion.
Sour cream and onion. Good job. And then, drinks ni Kuya. And then, drinks ni Kuya Caleb. Oh, Agara. Do you want me to open this? Okay.
No, no.
I open Kuya.
I can ask Miss Ashley to open it.
Okay, you can ask Miss Ashley to open it. Ayan. Natin.
Mom. Yeah. I can't find mine.
Find your shoes. Chad, get your jacket. Put your jacket on first. Dahil medyo malamig sa labas. I'm gonna ask your teacher, Caleb, when is your field trip?
It's at the end of May.
The end of May?
Yeah, mine's May.
Yours is the 13th. So you're end of May?
Yeah.
Like, I think it was like, what, 29? Is it 29?
I don't know. My money, because
I already gave you money for that.
Yeah, I know, but it was due May 8th. It's due May 8th. So whoever doesn't bring in money,
You better give the money, that $10 to your teacher.
okay.
So you better not be broken any more headphone.
Okay. Wait, Kia has broken.
Yeah,
Well,
3 set. He broke it. Yeah, see, your teacher sent me a message that you broke 3 set of it.
Mom, it's raining outside.
It's foggy.
Well,
Si Chad kasi guys, kahapon, nag-message yung teacher niya na he broke 3 set of headphone na ginagamit nila sa school. So, magkailangan daw bayaran ng $10 para bigyan siya ng panibagong set. Kasi ang ginagawa daw niya is kinakagat niya. So, siguro habang nag-aano sila, may ginagawa sila, kinakagat niya yung wire, and then hinihila niya yung wire, gayon, kaya nasira. And so nag-offer kami na bayaran na lang namin ng $30 para ano, pero sabi ng teacher, hindi naman daw kailangan magbayad ng $30, but yung $10 lang daw. So, hindi ko matandaan kung binigyan namin siya ng headphone nung start ng school. Kasi, I think, nag-a-ask sila to bring your own headphone. Yung mga gusto mong dalhin, ganun. But, I don't know, hindi ko matandaan kung pinadalhan namin siya ng headphone or hindi. So, yeah. So, yun. Kaya, meron siyang $10 dyan sa bag niya para ibigay sa teacher niya para mabigyan siya ng panibagong set na headphone. Alokang bata to. I mean, hindi ko naman siya pwedeng pagalitan, basta sabihan na lang na ano, money niya yan. Yung binigay na $10 sa kanya, money niya yan. Yung natatanggap niya sa mga birthdays, ganyan. Pera niya yan. So, sinabihan namin siya na it's your responsibility na bayaran yan kasi ikaw ang nakasira. So, para matuto siya. So, hatid natin sila today sa school mismo. Para, kasi hindi ko na sila nahatid sa school. Matagal-tagal na. Yeah, just play it for a little bit. Turn it down, ha? So, matagal-tagal ko na silang hindi nahatid sa school. So, hatid natin sila today. So, ayan guys. Hatid na natin sila sa school. Medyo tayo ngayon. Medyo foggy ang ating dadaanan. So, medyo foggy. Si school.
11.
Kuya Chad's phone is not working.
And I have to pay a $50 bill.
Yeah, may bill siya. Kailangan niyang bayaran.
Why does Kuya have to pay a $50 bill?
Because it's separated from our account. Kuya has to learn how to take care of his stuff. So. I mean, you guys can get down right here if you want.
I want to get down here.
Thank you, kids. Love you. Love you, kids. Love you. Be good, ha? Listen to your teacher.
I will.
Love you.
Love you.
Medyo matagal-tagal ko na kasi silang hindi na i-drop off dito sa school. Kaya nag-decide ako na i-drop off na lang sila. And dahil late na rin kaming nagising, ako pala. Late na ako nagising this morning. About 6 o'clock na ata ako nagising. Pero okay lang naman. Kasi day off naman ang asawa ko. So, kaya, ayun. At sobrang sobrang foggy. My goodness. Tignan nyo. So guys, iniwan ko na dun sa baba yung sasakyan ko kasi tayo dito. Magkakatay ng grass mamaya. So para hindi malagyan ng grass yung ng sasakyan.
ibababa natin yung mga binaba ko na yung sasakyan ko dun. So, ayan. Let's go. Tignan natin kung gising na yung mga kasama ko dito sa bahay. Look who's awake! And Daddy! Si sister sleeping. Yeah. Kiki said. She wants Daddy's spot.
Lay down.
No, now she's laying down with Daddy.
Yeah. She gets right there.
Yeah.
Yay, Susie.
Good morning.
Susie.
Morning, Wild Child.
Susie. Susie. Susie.
Good morning.
Susie. Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, sissy.
Hello, I said good morning too. Look at your hair. Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So, ayan guys. Nag-i-start na ang lahat. Ay na aking asawa. So, iniwan niyang ito yung sa aking lilinisan. So, ayan yung mga grass na puputulin natin. Ayan. Tapos, doon pa tayo sa dulo doon. So, mag-start na tayo. Let's go! Oh, silang dalawa nandito. Pagod na ako. Naano na yung kamay ko, nanginginig na yung kamay ko. What? What? I have to dito. What?
I want to play 1, 2, 3.
Okay, play 1, 2, 3 then.
But I want to play 1, 2, 3 too.
Okay, then play 1, 2, 3. Both of you, go.
Mommy, did you say three? Then you had to. Then you had to jump.
Uh-huh.
Then watch this.
Okay.
Like this. I watched this. Mommy, I did it.
You did it. Good job.
I'm a big girl.
Yes, you are a big girl.
Mommy, I'm going to do
Okay.
it.
Ah!
I just did it backwards.
Okay, all right. I'll be back to what I'm doing. You two play.
Bye.
Bye. I'll be right here. So guys, alis na tayo. So, ito yung itsura ng hair ko ng kulot. So, tara, let's go. Si Troy Natalia nandoon na sa kanilang lola. Ayun, nasa labas sila. Ayan si Natalia sa niya, naka boots and dress. Ayan si Troy. He put that clothes on his own. So, siya nagbihis ng sarili niyang damit. Alright, let's go. So, ayan guys. We're here. So, Sam's Club. Sam's Club restaurant. Uy. Ha? Okay guys, kinuha namin yung bingo tsaka bluey na stackable lunch. Bigas ang heavy niya. Huh?
$18. Oh, look, different brownie. Brownie. Please.
Oh my gosh, ang heavy niya.
Hold on.
Spam. Alright. Ayan, so far.
This one or this one?
It don't matter.
Yeah, it does, because one's the craft.
Oh yeah, get the craft.
This one?
Yeah, kids love the craft. And loops. Hello.
I'm thinking.
Look!
Yeah, cheers. Or fruitless.
Tayo sa freezer. Oh my gosh, ang lamig, man. Is that that's organic, huh?
It feels good in here.
No, it's cold.
Wait here, I need to come here more. Yeah, after I make a halfway through the store,
Uh-huh.
come back here, cool off, go back in there again.
I'm just looking if it's good or not. Yeah, we're just gonna get at Walmart, I guess. Oh, it's cold in here. Huh? It's not on the list? Oh well, I don't care.
Alright.
I mean, you guys, sobrang presyo, oh. Look at that, $18.09. And then your drumstick is $4.88. Why is it cheaper?
Drumsticks are cheaper.
Oh.
But here, can't wait till the kids are old enough to have chicken legs like that.
Yeah.
Check Caleb Brady.
Laki ng ground beef. Pero tinan nyo naman ang presyo. $40. So, ayan guys, yung mga pinamili. Bahay na kami guys. So, ito, binili talaga ng aking asawa. Sabi ko, ito lang yung bibilihin niya. Dahil isa kay Natalia, isa kay Troy. Pero dahil princess daw si Natalia, kailangan may princess. O, ayan. Stackable, ano. What is that, Troy?
A Bluey cup.
Sissy, what is it?
It was a snack cup.
Barbie cup.
So it's like one of those drinks. And
No,
foods?
it's just food.
Oh, it's so
Yeah.
so like when you get hungry.
Yep. Like when we go to like a road trip.
Airplane.
Yeah, airplane.
Train.
All right, you guys need to go. How's it, Troy? You like it? Yeah. All right, Chad. He already said that.
Oh, that's what he's talking about.
Yeah.
I thought you said about the crystals. So you like those?
Yes.
Well, you ask Molly to put some in your lunch tomorrow.
I do not
Sissy.
like those. I don't.
You don't put it up here, okay?
Dude, you know.
No, don't mess with that, Troy. Don't mess with it because you'll dump them.
So guys, tulog na yung mga bagets. Actually, kanina pa sila tulog. So, sobra ang pagod ko today. And tomorrow, marami tayong kailangan gawin dahil ililigpit natin yung mga pinang-grocery natin kaganina. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna say good night and thank you guys for watching. Good night.
Confidence in a panther. Let me see this one.